If you have loose skin or you're trying to prevent getting loose skin on your weight loss journey, we have 3 foods that you should never eat if you want to prevent loose skin or reduce loose skin.
I think at a certain point, women look in the mirror, including myself, and you're like, wow, my skin is really changing. And then you run to your doctor, you say, what can I do? Or you buy that expensive cream. And I'm here to tell you that, I've lost over 100 pounds and I don't have any loose skin. And even after giving birth to Penelope, I don't even have stretch marks. And so we know a thing or two about it. Penelope lost 160 pounds and has no loose skin. There's a girl in our group, lost over 100 pounds, no loose skin. Why? We're here to tell you that there is a formula to it. And we stopped eating these foods, and we're going to tell you what they are in this video.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe. Ultra processed deli meats. Now, a lot of you guys are buying deli meats at the store because maybe the weight loss influencer told you, hey, this is a good swap. Maybe you just thought, oh, it looks really good. Actually, you're not doing yourself a good favor unless you're buying Applegate.
I grew up on bologna.
I don't even know what bologna is. Thanks for making me not know what bologna
Oscar Mayer, back in the day, those of you who know. And I'm here to tell you that it's like more interesting, I think, to know why. And there are preservatives in the luncheon meats and the hot dogs. Every day after school, I had a hot dog with nitrates. Nitrates really affect the collagen in your skin. It breaks it down. So there's preservatives, and then there's also the nitrates. And so that's why we recommend Applegate, because it's hormone-free, antibiotic-free, and nitrate-free. So you want to be looking for it. If it doesn't say this on your ham or your turkey or your hot dogs, then chances are there are nitrates in them. So flip it over, read the label, try not to have nitrates in your life. If you can't find those or you can't afford the nitrate-free ones, be sure to take extra vitamin C to prevent the elastin and collagen in your skin from breaking down. I mean, who knew, right? Well, now you do. And the second thing is sugar. Believe it or not, if you look in the mirror and you notice your skin is starting to sag, it's starting to have more wrinkles, it's starting to look pasty or pale, and you're a sugar addict, that's the culprit. One of the main culprits. It reduces your immune system. It affects the connective tissue, which makes your skin start to sag, or maybe you're on one of those weight loss medications. The cat is not out of the bag on why. I've got several suspicions. Not good.
You guys won't believe this, but I believe it. Flour. You guys think white flour is all great.
I don't know if they do. You think they think that?
I think they think that. I think that you've been lied to by dietitians and nutritionists and whatever. Blabber online.
Well, hold on.
That everything's okay in moderation.
Your doctor, you had an experience firsthand.
I was 320 pounds.
Yeah.
My doctor said, hey, Penelope, this bread is totally fine. You should eat some more bread. I was 320 pounds. They didn't weigh me. They didn't tell me to lose weight. They didn't tell me to eat fiber. They told me to eat bread. Are you joking me? Bread? I didn't need more bread. Little did they know I was eating a loaf of bread at home. A whole loaf.
And when you went to therapy sessions, they had a lot of flour and sugar at those sessions.
It's addictive. It doesn't lead you down a good hole, and it's not going to help you lose weight.
It doesn't lead you down a good hole.
No, I did not eat flour on my journey to losing weight. I ate buckwheat flour. I ate millet flour. I ate chickpea flour.
The only powders we really ate were
whole food
protein powder.
Even those you have to be careful with.
Listen, white powders are not good. Let's face it. Can you think of any white powder that's good for you? It kind of mucks up your system. One thing that Penelope and I talked about a long time ago was, hey, if it's really, really hard to clean, like when you're doing your dishes, chances are it's hard for your body to process it. It's hard for your body to clean it. You don't want to be mucking up your digestion. You don't want to be mucking up your large intestine. You don't want to be mucking up your cells. Because if you ever tried to clean flour out of making bread, whatever, it is hard to clean. You got to scrub, and then you got to throw your whole sponge away.
Do you know how easy it is to clean buckwheat?
Oh, it's like rinse, zoom, finished.
Think about that next time you're cleaning. Okay.
Well, no, seriously, because when you simple syrup, really not easy to clean. Anyway, so your body is cleaning 24/7, and we got to help it out. Listen, honestly, thank you, body. It serves you 24/7. What are you doing to help your body? And if you don't know how to help your body, it's time for you to learn. And guess what? We have a 7-day free sugar detox that's also a gut microbiome reset. And on the other side of it, you will most likely be free from your sugar addiction. So we created that for you as a gift. So I hope that you'll join and take it seriously and really commit a week of your life to freedom. And we also have an amazing opportunity for you to learn how to cook. If you don't know how to cook, you don't know how to do these things to serve your body better, we have a Substack. And you can support our work and learn new skills in the kitchen by joining our Substack. And we are making all kinds of amazing recipes that are sugar and flour free, made with healthy fats. So learn today, don't delay. It's important. Your life depends on it.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias down below, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget to like this video. Share this video with someone that you love. Subscribe because it helps keep our channel alive. And we will see you all the time.
2 more opportunities I want to be sure to let you know about is the Tight Club. So if you want tight skin, learn all of our secrets, tips, and tricks. And most importantly, if you want to get one shoe into our inner circle, you can join our 30-day challenge. Once you succeed there by losing 8 to 10 pounds, then you'll be eligible to join our elite program. So we hope to see you on the other side. And you know what? We really do want to get to know you. So comment down below. We want to hear your thoughts.